Here is your exact step-by-step navigation guide from the parking lot to the Lady MacDonald Teahouse Ridge. You start by parking at the Cougar Creek parking lot off of Benchmark Road in Canmore. Just past the roundabout there is a parking lot that's about medium sized that does fill up fast with bathrooms. If that fills up, there is more parking further up the road near a playground and residential area. Walk past the construction setup for the Cougar Creek debris dam and follow the detour signs along the creek bed. This is an overtop view here. Wow. After about 1 kilometer along the creek, look for the well-marked junction on your right, where the Lady MacDonald Trail branches off. Once you take that turn, the steady incline begins immediately. You'll be heading straight up through the thick evergreen forest on continuous, steep switchbacks. Keep driving forward. There are no flat breaks here, so pace yourself. Around the 3-kilometer mark, the trees will start to thin out, transitioning from the forest into loose dirt and scree. You'll hit an open shoulder where you get your first major view of the Bow Valley. From here, follow the obvious rocky path straight up the spine of the ridge.
Oh man, look at that. Follow the spray paint.
Keep pushing up the final rocky push until you get onto the wooden foundations of the old Teahouse helipad. You've made it. At roughly 800 meters of total elevation, this is the official stopping point for most hikers. Giving you unmatched 360-degree views over Canmore, Ling Peak, and Mount Rundle. Just keep in mind, the recording on this video is not from the actual helipad spot, as that was crowded and we stopped a little bit earlier, but it is about maybe 50 meters ahead from where we are. You do have the option to go past the Teahouse helipad and up to the true summit at Mount Lady MacDonald. However, it includes moderate to high exposure for more experienced hikers. Thanks for watching today's guide. Hopefully you enjoyed, and good luck out there on the trails. See you at the next adventure.